I have got something ridiculously cool to show you that I'm going to be using in my classroom. Dun, dun, dun. Check this out, folks. Look how awesome this is. What is it? Well, first of all, this is a way for me in my class to select two names, not exactly at the same time, but pretty close. So for something that I do in class called retrieval practice, students are recalling information from the previous class. They write it down on stickies. Everybody gets time to think. Then I need two students at every class throughout the semester. Everybody gets a turn to be the hosts, the MCs for that segment. And students are going to improv, talk to each other, connect, ask each other questions as the hosts, synthesize the content that they're seeing the students have written. And it's a great way for them to practice their communication skills, build their confidence while also talking about content that's meaningful to the rest of the class. And they get to ad lib some of their own thoughts and practice what it's like just speaking on the fly without preparation. So I went to my friend Said and told him I use different spinning wheels. This is within Miro. I've also used over a wheel of names, and I still use that in class sometimes too. But where he guided me, he decided let's put in two wheels, because in Miro you can only have 20 names, up to 20 names in one wheel, and I have a class of 25 in this case, so I would have needed two wheels anyway within Miro. And then now let me get a little bit technical here for the folks who would want to create something like this. What I've done is inside of Miro, built the board, created a frame. Frames in Miro have a link. I take that link, bring it into a video production tool. In my case, I love Ecamm, and this is what I'm using, but you could also use a tool like OBS. I brought in a web widget, copy the link to that into the web widget, and then I'm interacting in my tool with this. So I can click the spin button, ready for the demo? Click the spin on one wheel, click the wheel on the second, and now I've got my names. Hey, Lucy and Neil are my next two students. So obviously these are not my students' names, but these are people in my life either that I look up to or that I am friends with or that I work with. But Lucy is the designer who made all these beautiful graphics. Her tool is called Canvas. So you get Canvas without the vowels in Canvas. I'll post the link to this for her graphics. Shout out to Said for spending time with me, guiding me, brainstorming, helping me make this. And when I say helped me make this, I want to give him like 90% of the credit. But this was a beautiful way that I can engage with my class. And it is public speaking. So we've got public speaking graphics, audience stage, and enjoy.